Text Tools Module Function Introduction. Text Editing 3. Change superscript. This command is used to designate a specific part of a selected line of text as superscript. Click the Change Superscript function. Select the text to be converted to superscript. Select point near the first superscript character. Enter the number of characters to be converted to superscript. Specified text converted to superscript completed. Change subscript. This command is used to designate a specific part of a selected line of text as subscript. Click the Change Subscript function. Select the text to be converted to subscript. Select point near the first subscript character. Enter the number of characters to be converted to subscript. Specified text converted to subscript completed. Restore superscript. This command is used to restore text that has been changed to superscript back to normal text. Click the Restore Superscript function. Select the text to restore superscript to normal. All superscript text in the text string will be restored to normal text. Superscript text restored to normal completed. Restore subscript. This command is used to restore text that has been changed to subscript back to normal text. Click the Restore Subscript function. Select the text to restore subscript to normal. All subscript text in the text string will be restored to normal text. Subscript text restored to normal completed. Uniform text height. This command is used to unify the character height of text within a text area to the same height. Click the Uniform Text Height function. Select the text to unify the text height. Enter the text height. The height of all selected text is unified to the entered character height. Uniform text height applied completed. Change text color. This command is used to modify the text color in annotations. Click the Change Text Color function. Select the text to change color. Select the desired color on the palette. Click the OK button to confirm, and the color of all annotation text will be changed. Text color change completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.